what we're going to do now that you've, been able to, interact with your inner child multiple times. We've done the mirror gazing exercise, we've done the body art therapy exercise, we've done the visualization journey. Now what we're going to do is a powerful writing exercise. So I want you to sit down with your paper and pen, and I want you to write a letter to your inner child. Doesn't have to be a long letter, okay? We're not going to spend, an hour on this because we only have a little bit of time left. But I want you just to, for the next few minutes, write a letter to your inner child. And this is going to be a letter of apology for the ways that you've judged your inner child at times, maybe devalued your inner child on accident, by telling them that it's not okay to feel a certain way, to stuff feelings away. Maybe when you've judged your inner child for not being stronger or not having more resilience, or maybe you focus too much on their appearance. Whatever the case may be, when was the last time that you devalued yourself or disparaged yourself in some way? So sometimes people will say, well, I don't know if I brought up the image of my inner child per se, but just yesterday I was, beating myself up for doing XYZ. Well, actually that is you interacting with your inner child and blaming them for something. So if you have a hard time thinking about a time in which you've devalued or disparaged or judged your inner child, think about the last time you just judged yourself, okay? Because your inner child is you, right? So just think about the last time you had a negative thought about yourself. Like, why are you such an idiot? Why are you so weak? Why can't you do better? Anything like that, bring that up and really contact the part of yourself that has radical honesty, okay? Like, it's hard, but nobody has to see your letter. You're writing it to yourself, okay? So write a letter of apology now, and you can just, you can say that you're sorry, that you're going to try to give them more respect, more compassion, that you understand no one's perfect. It can be whatever you want. And I just want you to take the next, 3 or so minutes to really sit with that and just write a short letter. It can just be a few sentences of an apology to your inner self. Okay, maybe one more minute to finish up. Right.